Hello, this is Jammal. Adiyo Anibaba. Today is January 31st, 2024. I want us to tackle a few pieces of work of a great Sakara artist. Sakara genre is a Yoruba music genre. This individual, probably, arguably, the best string instrument player in that genre. Be it the molo string or the African violin, the goje, is probably pound for pound, probably the best. But he was also an awesome lead talking drummer. His name is Salami Balogun, aka Lefty. So for us on Lagos Island, we call him strictly Lefty. Now, let's go listen to Lefty. Everybody knows what you're talking about. We call him Lefty because he's a southpaw. He's a left-handed individual. So he's a left-handed person. So when he's beating talking drum, he beat it with his left hand. When he's playing strings, he played it with his left hand. If he was a boxer, they'll call him a southpaw. So, for the benefit of folks that prefer me to speak in Yoruba, mo sọ pé mo kọ́ kí gbogbo yín lẹ́ni January 31st ọdún 2024. Mo ní ẹ jẹ́ ká bẹ iṣẹ́ gbòǹgbò ìkànnú àwọn gbòǹgbò Sakara abẹ́ ò gbé ká ta molo ọ̀gá ni, ká ta gòjé ọ̀gá ni, ká lùlù ọrùnṣà ọ̀gá ni. Kò sí ohun tí ò bá lọ́wọ́ mu. Orúkọ ẹ̀ Salami Balogun. Lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ àkété Lefty làwa mọ̀ sí. Ẹja lọ gbọ́ Lefty. Ẹja lọ gbọ́ Lefty. Tẹ́ bá ní ẹja lọ gbọ́ Lefty, ó ti yé gbogbo àwọn téèyàn bá sọ̀rọ̀ pé Lefty là ń lọ gbọ́. Ìyẹn bẹ́ẹ̀. Kíni tí mò ń ṣe yìí? Àwọn kan bí mi pé mi ṣe máa sọ ní Yorùbá tán. Ìdí tí n fi sọ ní Yorùbá tán ni pé a ní àwọn ọmọ kéékèèké tó ń bọ̀ lẹ́yìn wa tí mo gbìyànjú láti fà kó lè kúndùn orin alájọbí. Púpọ̀ nínú wọn ní láti fà wọ́n pẹ̀lú èdè tó gbọ́ káwọn náà lè díẹ̀díẹ̀ lékún jáwọ́. Àwọn náà lè bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí kúndùn pé mo fẹ́ mọ̀ sí nípa orin alájọbí, mo fẹ́ gbọ́ Yorùbá sí. Ìdí nìyẹn tí mo ṣe ní akọ àti abo. Màá sọ lóyìnbó, màá sọ Yorùbá. Mo fẹ́ fa àwọn ọmọ wa kéékèèké káwọn náà lè mọ ìrírí èrè tó wà ń díẹ̀. So máa yí padà sí olóyìnbó dé. So pretty much for those of you that your Yoruba is a little bit elementary and you're still trying to work on it, I just pretty much said in Yoruba why on this my medium I'm using both English and Yoruba. Because some people have asked me, how come you don't just do it in Yoruba only? But I just told them now why I don't. Because there are some young generation that are not totally fluent in Yoruba, and I'm trying to bridge and create a bridge for those individuals to be able to walk back and learn more about the culture. So I'm trying to make it easier. It's just a bridge. So that's why I'll present it in English, Yoruba, English, Yoruba. Eventually, those that are not totally fluent in Yoruba, they'll be able to start assimilating themselves into it. Okay. So, talking back to the Lefty Salami Balogun. As a little kid, when I was growing up on Lagos Island, when you get up in the morning, kokorunku, akukonko, the rooster will crow. Kokorunku! The rooster will crow. You get ready, you take your bath, you brush your teeth, you do all that, you get ready for school. Things are hectic then, but you go to school. When you're done with school, you're heading home, you're walking back home, you will walk past certain record shops who, what they do is they sell the LPs and the small plates or in the cassette. But for them, the way they advertise is they'll have their big loudspeaker outside of their store and they'll be playing different artists' songs. So on our way back from school, you will hear series of artists. And one of these songs, some of those songs, in fact, a lot of those songs, Yoruba Sakara music or Yoruba life music, you pretty much is the lyric that tends to draw you in. But even as a young person, you don't even understand the lyrics, what they're saying much. You're just rolling with it. Not to talk of the talking drum in the track. But one of the wonderful one that caught my ears when I was a little kid, you be Amuda Oloko Obi by Lefty Salami Balogun. It was a wonderful piece. Because it rhymes. You could do Amuda Oloko Obi, Amuda Oloko ni Baba Munika. And you could repeat that in your head when you're doing your chores or whatnot. So let's tackle it. In the first iteration, we're just going to go with the lyrics. And the second iteration, then we'll tackle the talking drum portion of it. If you're hearing the constant dropping, that's the rain drops. It's the rainy season where I'm at right now. Okay. All right. So let's tackle it. Let's see how it goes. We have to be good though. We got first iteration. Let's stay with the lyrics. bóbìnrin bá kọ́ ni owó lè kọ́ ni 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 tí n bá wẹ̀wù tó pé àwọ̀ ṣòkòtò tó pé máa gbé fìlà tó gbá mú ṣe àkóṣí lè sọ́wọ́. Tí n bá wẹ̀wù tó pé máa wọ ṣòkòtò tó pé máa dé fìlà tó gbá mú ṣe máa kó sílè sọ́wọ́. Sílè. So in the colonial era, pre-Nigerian independence, the currency that Nigeria was using was pounds and shillings and pence. Pretty much along the line of the currency in the United Kingdom, pounds, shillings, and pence. So, like our people, they'll call pounds pon, and they call shillings shile. So when he says Mako shile sowo, meaning I'll have shillings in my hand when I'm going out to go hang out, to go party, to go on a jolly occasion with my friends. Timba wewu tó pé, I'll dress clean, sharp, attire, garb. Ewu, the top. Could be shirt, African shirt. Ma wọ ṣòkòtò tó pé, I'll wear perfect trouser. Ma dé fìlà tó gbámúṣé, a fit to match, and fashionable hat. Ma kó sílè sọ́wọ́, and I have shillings in my hand to spend because I know I'm going on the outing. So that's where the concept comes. The pen is penny, pounds, pon, shile. So that's where Marco Shile saw. That's what he was referring to there, Shile. The modern day kids in Nigeria, they know of the current currency, Naira. But Shile means shillings. Let's keep going. Obìnrin bá kọ́ ni owó lè kọ́ ni. Kànjí olórí ẹgbẹ́ ni Amuda Oloko Obi, Amuda Oloko ni bàbá múlíkà. Olórí ẹgbẹ́ ni Amuda Oloko Obi, Amuda Oloko ni bàbá múlíkà. Ọkọ Sàdíyà Bírání límọ̀tà láyì ọmú sílì ọkọ Sàríyù ọkọ Sàbítìyù Baba Musiliu, Baba Fatai, Baba Mulikatu, Baba Olatu, Abdurashidi, Mala Dauda, Sikiru, Baba Sikatu, Baba Sifkatu, Apẹ́mádọ̀tí, bímọ kan ríjà bíbè èjì takọtabo. Jí olórí ẹgbẹ́ ni Amuda Oloko Obi, Amuda Oloko ni bàbá Múlíkà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ó sì máa bá wọn lò, ó sì máa bá wọn lò bọ́n bá fẹ́ wó lọ́wọ́. Ó sì máa bá wọn lò tán bá fẹ́ lówó. You still going to interact with them. If they want to financially successful, prosperous. So Amuda Oloko Obi. Someone told me he was bookkeeper at Okobi, doing accounting work. Let's do the second iteration, which is the talking drum. So, one thing I've told you guys about talking drum, how to understand it, is you need to kind of understand the literary corpus, Yoruba literary corpus. You need to be familiar with Yoruba proverbs. You need to kind of have some level of understanding of the era or the topic they're talking about. There's another thing that I didn't tell you guys before, which is that you also have to get used to the accent of the drummer, the accent of his beat, the accent of his beat. The reason I'm pointing that out to you guys is that there's going to be some drum beat patterns of Kasumi Shola, the lead drummer for Yusuf Olatunji, or Mimi Lola, the lead drummer, one of the lead drummer for Abibolua, that you might know. And sometimes another drummer will beat that and it will throw you and you won't get it. The reason for that is most likely because you are not used to the accent of that other drummer. Because if you've been listening to Yusuf Olatunji, then you lock in your inner ears, Itinue will lock in into the drum pattern of Kasumi Shola, Omosoni. Another drummer for another band, I play the same proverb and you struggle with it. So be patient, just keep working at it, and then you will lock in. For example, the lead drummer for Lefty Akanmu, he's a little bit faster. So his drum talks like his urban center, a city person. So he's a little bit faster. So you have to kind of train yourself to whatever band you're listening to. Okay. So let's go with this. So with that in mind, you will be able to decode more Yoruba artists. Okay. Here we go. Talking drum portion. ẹyẹ tètè fún lóyún, ẹyẹ tètè fún lóyún, àdélébọ̀ kan tí ó ń pera ẹ̀ ní nǹkan, ẹyẹ tètè fún lóyún. Ẹyẹ tètè fún lóyún, àdélébọ̀ kan tó ń pera ẹ̀ ní nǹkan, or sometimes wọ́n ní àdélébọ̀ kan tó ń pera rẹ̀ lóge, ẹyẹ tètè fún lóyún. A young bride strutting about in a household, which most likely is an extended family house. So there's going to be a lot of other families living in there, other couples too living in the compound. So one young bride strutting. Ẹyẹ tètè fún lóyún, then that keep her humble and preoccupied. That's what that drum was saying there. And get her occupied. Get her humble. Ọlọ́run ò ṣe bí ire ní ṣe. Ọlọ́run ò ṣe bí ire ní ṣe. Ìwọ́lẹ̀kùn, ìwọ́lẹ̀kùn, ẹkùn, ìwọ́lẹ̀kùn, ẹkùn, 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 ẹkùn. You're the leopard, so keep strutting. Ọlọ́run ò pa ní, ènìyàn ò lè pa ní. Ṣé ènìyàn ò lè pa ní? Bọ́lọ́run ò pa ní, ènìyàn ò lè pa ní. I want you guys to listen to that. Bọ́lọ́run ò pa ní, ènìyàn ò lè pa ní. Ṣé ènìyàn ò lè pa ní. That's what I'll keep telling you guys. You can insert. The beauty of African music is that you can insert, you can subtract. All you have to do is stay in rhythm. You could have said, Bọ́lọ́run ò pa ní, ènìyàn ò lè pa ní. Àníṣẹ́. But he didn't say àníṣẹ́, he just said, ṣé ènìyàn ò lè pa ní. Bọ́lọ́run ò pa ní, ènìyàn ò lè pa ní. Ṣé ènìyàn ò lè pa ní. After saying, I'll pull it back a bit for you guys. Bọ́lọ́run ò pa ní, ènìyàn ò lè pa ní. Bọ́lọ́run ò pa ní, ènìyàn ò lè pa ní. Àkànjí. Amuda Oloko Obi bàbá. Ọwọ́ tàgádágodo yín, aláwọ̀ ẹkùn, aláwọ̀ agílíntí, ọwọ́ tàgádágodo yín. Ẹgbẹ́ ni ìwọ́lẹ̀kùn, ìwọ́lẹ̀kùn, ìwọ́lẹ̀kùn. Níbo nílé? Ìbàdàn nílé. Obìnrin ni yóò lọ ìtàkùn tó ní kérìn máa rà lọ. Tòun tẹ̀rín ni yóò lọ, ló lè sọ nínú. Ẹni tó bá jù ní lọ ló lè sọ nínú. Etiquette. See there? They're in the rhythm. And then Akanmu send a message to the rest of the drummer. Assemble. Etiquette. I want that omele percussion to keep going steady. Etiquette, keep giving me etiquette beat. Etiquette. I'll pull back for you guys to catch it. So those are the little subtlety message that goes on in the assemble, in the musical assemble, in the sacred assemble. They send messages. Etiquette. afẹ́ la mọ̀ a ò mẹ́ni tó fẹ́ ni ẹni afẹ́ la mọ̀ a ò mẹ́ni tó fẹ́ ni. Yoruba strongly believe that you can only vouch for who you love. You can't vouch for who someone else loves. Oh, I know that Tunde loves Tayo. It's an assumption on your part because you don't know what's in Tunde's heart. You can say, Jammal loves Lamu. How do you know? But I can say, I love Lamu. I know I love Lamu. I know I love my Alajobis. I can say that. But you can't say, oh, Jammal loves his sister. Jammal loves his brother. Jammal loves his kids. So Yoruba believe, ẹni afẹ́ la mọ̀, a ò mẹ́ni tó fẹ́ ni. You might think he likes you or she likes you, but she might just be angling, right? So that's what they're trying to say there. Ẹni afẹ́ la mọ̀, a ò mẹ́ni tó fẹ́ ni. Ẹni afẹ́ la mọ̀. Jàbíbèjì takọtabo. Afẹ́ la mọ̀, a ò mẹ́ni tó fẹ́ ni. Ẹni afẹ́ la mọ̀. Mẹ́ta 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 àbùlà. Lórí àbùlà. Nǹkan méjì, gba nǹkan méjì. Gba nǹkan méjì. Olórí ẹgbẹ́ gba nǹkan méjì. Gba nǹkan méjì. Olórí bàbá Múlíká gba nǹkan méjì. Tí máa bá wọn lò mẹ́ta 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 àbùlà. So olórí ẹgbẹ́ gba nǹkan méjì. They tend to do that. Yoruba will say olórí ẹgbẹ́ gba nǹkan méjì. You have to take something bigger than the regular members of the group. So while the members of the group are taking one piece of meat, olórí ẹgbẹ́ yẹn gba méjì. Olórí ẹgbẹ́ gba nǹkan méjì yẹn. I leave you to figure out that. But don't forget your do-re-mis. Okay, don't forget your do-re-mis. Meta abula. You guys stay blessed. Ẹni afẹ́ la mọ̀, amen tó fẹ́ ni. Leave comments. You guys stay blessed.